Hello viewers, today we are going to see a new concept. So that is if you consider any engineering field like ECE, EEE, CSE, IT, all core branches, so all graduates, those who are completing their degree in the engineering discipline, they can easily understand all kind of electronics and electrical concept with the help of this new open source software. So the software name is CircuitJS. You simply go to the Google search and you can put a CircuitJS and you can find this CircuitJS. The first link will be open. You can open it in a new tab. The window will be open. So in this, the workspace area is available. So from this, the lot of circuit concepts are available default for gaining lot of knowledge, what we have learned from the books, that is engineering college subjects. So the all theoretical knowledge can be easily gained with the help of practical knowledge. So normally we simply open the books and what are the concept of the particular topic, we just go through it and we just draw the diagram and what are the information delivered by the faculty members, everything are gathered and directly we write it on the paper, we will get a mark. So for some kind of subject we have a laboratory for parallel. What are the subject we have studied in each and every semester, the corresponding subject have some laboratory. With the help of this laboratory, we can gain a lot of practical knowledge what we have studied in this theory subject. So for gaining this practical knowledge, I prefer this open source software. This really helpful for all the students to get real information, how the different circuits are working, what kind of input voltage you are going to give for the particular circuit and what is the current flow through this particular circuit element and how the output can be measured. Everything can be determined with the help of this open source software. Let us see the basic information. So I just click a circuit. So in this basic is mentioned in the first menu. From this I go to Ohm's law. So the Ohm's law concept, one figure will be appeared in this window. So here the default value is mentioned. 5 volt is applied to this 2 resistor. Default resistor values taken as a 100 ohm and 1 kilo ohm. So for this 50 milliamps is flow through this resistor and 5 milliamps is flow through the 1 kilo ohm resistor. Like this the circuit is connected here. So what is the relation between the voltage, resistance and current from this Ohm's law means voltage is directly proportional to current. So from this we can derive the equation V equal to I into R. That means the voltage which is equal to multiplication of current and resistance value. So if I get the 5 volt, so I am going to apply 5 volt value to this resistor for both 100 ohm and 1 kilo ohm at the time. What is the exact current flow through this resistor is 50 milliamps. So we can calculate V equal to I into R. So my V value is equal to 5 and which is equal to I into R. I value is 50 milliamps into 100. So 50 into 10 milliamps means 10 power minus 3 into 100. So if you eliminate all zero values, finally you will get a 5 volt. Similarly for this right side of this resistor value and current 1 kilo ohm 1 into 10 power plus 3 into 5 into 10 power minus 3 for 5 milliamps. So here the 10 power 3 and 10 power minus 3 will be removed. Finally you will get 5 volt. So this is Ohm's law value, that is we just prove V equal to I into R. So if you want to change this value of this voltage value and resistor value, both can be varied here. So for that we just stop it and here you double click of this voltage value. Instead of 5 volt, if I put 10 volt, I just click OK and here I assign resistor value instead of 100 ohm, I just take a 10 ohm, and here resistor values I just take 10 kilo ohm, and you just click OK. Now you just run this program, and you can control your simulation speed and current speed also. Now you see it. So the flow of current, already you know very well, the flow of current is always inversely proportional to flow of electron. Normally the flow of electron direction is from negative to positive. So here the current flow direction is positive to negative. So the 10 volt is applied to this circuit. For the 10 ohm resistor, the flow of current value is determined here. So at the time, the resistor value is very small and the current value is very high. So in this case, right hand side, the resistor value is very high, 10 kilo ohm, and the current value is minimum, 1 milliamps. So if you consider this current speed value is high, you can easily understand the movement of current. So for that you can control your simulation speed. So let us see this example. So the flow of current from 10 volt to 10 ohm resistor is very fast compared to 10 kilo ohm resistor. So from this we can easily understand whenever you change this voltage value and resistor value, depending upon this the current can be calculated. So V equal to I into R, the Ohm's law can be proved here, and also we understand what is the flow of current and conventional current direction easily. Thank you all.